be afforded compromise at the cost of delay in justice and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उसमें अर्ज कर देता हूं.
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond. We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to that's the judicial policy. आप वहाँ से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said that no, we cannot provide. This was as near as the 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ड्स आता है. हमने एआरओज और डीआरओज की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है.
वो तो पहले होती है. अच्छा नहीं तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि योर फर्स्ट चॉइस वाज जुडिशियल ऑफिसर बट द हाई कोर्ट्स डिड नॉट एग्री एंड फॉर वैलिड रीजंस बिकॉज़ यू नो यू hold election and the litigant then suffers and
that 1.5 months
there is also another aspect because you know I remember the elections when we did give judicial officers and this was I think when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan, then the allegations invariably, and you know, we also do judicial work, then the same matter may come before us in a judicial forum. Because election tribunals are also judicial officers. Yes. So it could be argued that, you know, this is a job, we have a clearly separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. We forget one important pillar, which is the election commission. But there, it's not a part of the executive, it's not a part of the judiciary, it's on its own.
We are a federal institution, but our constitutional body on its own, not under any.
Yes. So your choice was not the first choice was not you didn't appoint yourself.
No, my lord.
You asked the judiciary.
We were constrained.
And the judiciary basically this in Punjab there is a clear-cut no.
No. उसके बाद in October
then
there was another letter.
Then I'm just thinking, how can the learned judge suspend an order? He will issue a writ against the High Court.
That's one of our grounds.
No. Then the learned single judge has passed an order.
The learned single
and
judge.
He will direct what the Chief Justice to provide officers. When can a writ be issued against the High Court? So what sort of relief do they want? Or they don't want elections? Where is this, Mr. No, where is this, Mr. Niazi? I mean, if one person is going to hold Pakistan to ransom, I mean, he's just one individual, and he says, "I'm so and so."
No other political party has come forward to challenge this.
The political parties are in the business of elections. So why would they
want an election?
And this one political party says, "I don't want elections." But it was the very same political party whose petition I decided.
Yes, we have attached that 3rd of November's order along with this petition.
But usme to the election, why didn't they say those things then? It was represented before us, if I remember correctly, by.
Zafar.
Yes,
Mr. Ali Zafar was representing Pakistan.
There was no such demand or suggestion, and we kind of got the order. This appears to be, I don't know if it's bona fide petition or not.
My lord, in fact, with due respect to the learned single judge, there's not even a single ground which says it's ultra-wise. Which provision is ultra-wise of?
Where is
my lord, the order starts at page 10.
Let's read the operative part.
Page 12, my lord.
Page 12?
At page 12, para 4.
No, ये तो legally under challenge है. But what have they?
These are the discussions.
No. Can you read paragraph 7?
My lord, then we go to the speaking part, which is para 7 and 8.
नहीं 7 पढ़ें.
7. Keeping in view the importance of the legal interpretation of the constitutional provision having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue.
Where is the constitution provision? There's no constitution.
There's no. The whole order is silent as to which.
I don't know. Let's read it further.
Having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue, office is directed to place this file before the Honorable Chief Justice for constitution of a larger bench. Page,
But
para
he is not passed in an order.
My lord, these are the reasons. Para 5, 6, and
8 फिर क्या कहते
8 is the suspension order. Notice. Meanwhile, the notification dated sare ke sare 11 December 2023 issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan appointing the DROs, ROs, assistant returning officers from executive shall remain suspended. Shall remain suspended. So there is a complete.
One second, I fail to understand. If a judge is passing an order for constitution of a larger bench, then judicial propriety demands that he stays his hand.
Yes.
Now, how can then he pass an order? Either he passes an order and doesn't say the matter be placed before the Chief Justice, then the Chief Justice has been given a fait accompli. You do what I ask you to do.
In fact,
Either you request the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Larger Bench, or you don't make this request and you just proceed with the matter.
Yes, my lord.
So, has the Larger Bench been constituted?
It has been constituted for Monday.
Who is heading the Larger Bench?
The very honorable judge.
The same judge?
The same judge.
2 other judges.
And five-member bench.
This is very strange. So what is the purpose of this petition?
In fact, what has done,
No, let's look at logically.
my lord.
Now, who have you appointed? Have you appointed people of some political party as ROs or DROs?
No, my lord.
Who have you appointed?
These are there's a mix.
नहीं एक पे चलते हैं ना.
My lord.
There are 4 notifications.
जी.
Let's take the first one.
Notifications are at
No, in the
page
order it is.
27.
Yeah, no, one at a time करें.
My lord. It starts at page 27, my lord. The notification.
This is for DROs.
These are DROs.
11th of
So
December.
notifications all across the country have been
It's
suspended?
all across the
In
country.
Sindh and Balochistan also?
My lord, this notification is across the country. This
How many
notification-
DROs in the country? कितने DROs appoint हुए?
Per district, every district
कितने हैं?
has
Total कितने हैं सारे?
85. This is
अच्छा ये पहला वाला देखिए. अच्छा I'm told it's 144.
it gives a total number, my lord.
ये इन्होंने शायद हिसाब लगा लिया.
ये जरा कैलकुलेट कर लें कि DROs और AROs टोटल कितने हैं ऑल पाकिस्तान?
Total is 148 DROs.
नहीं टोटल AROs
All over the
DROs ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान कितना है टोटल फिगर?
EROs is 148
148
और ROs कितने?
AROs हैं ROs हैं?
चलिए आप इनको हिसाब लगा के देखें, ऐसे बातें ना करें, कागज के
टोटल
टुकड़े
फिगर दे देना हमें टोटल फिगर.
गिन के बताइए.
859 ROs.
अच्छा नहीं, हम जरा इनके नाम देखना चाहते हैं किसको आपने अपॉइंट किया है.
My lord.
ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पेज 27 पे कौन है ये लोग?
नहीं page
पेज 27 पे आपने पहला बताया ना ये.
this is the reserved seat वाला
पढ़
notification.
तो देना कौन है DROs, किसके ये
These
रिश्तेदार
are from our own offices.
हैं? पढ़ देना, डेजिग्नेशंस पढ़ दे, नाम ना पढ़ें.
Mohammed Freed, additional director general elections 1 election commission of Pakistan.
तो ये तो चैलेंज भी नहीं हुआ और सस्पेंड हो गया.
ये तो सारे आपके अपने
ये
लोग
तो
हैं.
हमारे अपने हैं.
तो ये
हमने
तो चैलेंज ही नहीं किया पिटिशनर.
नहीं किया है.
उसने तो खाली कहा था कि सिर्फ जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स
There was a CM file, उसके अंदर ने कहा कि ये वाला भी इंक्लूड करें.
इवन दो द वायरीज इज ओनली
तो फिर
चैलेंज.
आप भी इलेक्शन ना कराएं, एग्जीक्यूटिव भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं,
कौन
जुडिशियल
कराए?
ऑफिसर भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, तो
will the election
एक्चुअली
take?
ऑब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट टू होल्ड इलेक्शंस देन.
That is prima facie the
Mr.
intent.
Swati, the warees of section 51B has been challenged.
My lord.
This is under A.
यस.
ये तो चैलेंज ही नहीं हुआ ना.
और these all have been suspended.
ये तो आपके अपने दफ्तर के मतलब अपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग हैं.
जी this notification जो कि reserved seat for women के लिए है वो हमारे ऑफिस.
अगला वाला पढ़ें.
Next is page 29 पे.
अब ये कौन है DROs?
ये DROs है जी. मोहम्मद इरफानुद्दीन,
नाम नहीं बताएं, डेजिग्नेशन बताएं.
डिप्टी कमिश्नर अपर चतराल.
तो ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं.
जी सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर.
तो ये इसमें तो आपने, हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज की है.
No.
ये तो आपने
We in fact
एक सेकंड, ये सारे इस पेज पे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स हैं, दूसरे, तीसरे,
उससे भी
चौथे,
डिप्टी कमिश्नर.
पांचवे, छठे, ये तो सारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स.
all are deputy commissioners.
The DROs are deputy commissioners.
They are the
तो
deputy.
इसमें आपने कोई मतलब ये नहीं
There
कि
is no
कोई
picking.
एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से एक को लगा दिया, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे को लगा दिया.
No. DROs are all deputy commissioners of the relevant districts.
माशाल्लाह. तो फिर अब तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है?
तीसरा नोटिफिकेशन है जी पेज 39 पे जी.
39.
39 पे my lord. It's 11th December. Additional deputy commissioner general upper
ये भी सारे आपके एडिशनल
additional
कमिश्नर.
deputy commissioner without any discrimination. बल्कि when the
नहीं तो आपने कोई पिक एंड चूज नहीं की.
no.
They were posted as.
They were posted, already posted. In fact, जब हम the caretaker government came, we issued a directive के shuffle all the appointees जो कि पिछली वाली governments के थे या वो सारे, and all the deputy commissioners and the higher administrative machinery was shuffled, actually shuffled. So these are actually
When was
working.
that? When was the shuffling?
ये different time पे होती है, ये February से शुरू हुई है shuffling करवाने, क्योंकि province of Punjab, the election had to take place at that time.
Who is the gentleman barrister Umair Khan Niazi?
My lord, he says he is the general secretary.
Has he attached any authority from the party itself?
No, there is none.
He's just one
He's just one individual.
One individual person has come and challenged the notifications of all Pakistan DROs.
Sabotage the whole
Is he
process.
related to, because the word is Niazi, is he related?
I have no idea.
Achha, I don't know.
That's no concern, but
And who have been President of Pakistan, Prime Minister, इनको भी पार्टी बनाया हुआ है?
जी उनको भी पार्टी बनाया.
उनका क्या काम है इससे?
President, because the president had announced the date.
तो फिर basically they don't want elections to take place.
Want elections to take place.
The president and the election commission together, if I remember, वो हमारा order किधर है जो हमने pass किया
That
था?
is at page 3rd of January 224, my lord.
हाँ?
2 to 4. Page 2 to 4
Two.
of the petition, my lord. And the speaking.
इसमें तो पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ is one of the petitioner. तो इसमें तो हमने वाजे तौर पे लिखा हुआ है पेज पैराग्राफ 18 में पढ़िए.
जी my lord. Para 17, your lordship.
पैराग्राफ 17 या 18?
Para 17, it starts at para 17 and
18 पढ़ रहे, वो तो जरा पूरी हिस्ट्री दे रहे.
18 is the President of Pakistan and the Election Commission have announced the date for holding of general elections to the National Assembly and the provincial assemblies. The federal government, the provincial governments and the Islamabad Capital Territory have concurred. The matter of holding the general election on 8th February stands resolved. No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
No, but shall we issue a contempt notice?
Exactly.
No, isn't this word clear? No one should now put forward any pretext to derail democracy.
Democracy. The timing is very
No,
important.
sorry,
madam.
this is Barrister Umar Khan Niazi, then this is a violation of the Supreme Court order.
It's a violation of my.
And this petition is entertained and interim order passed, and then larger bench is constituted, which is again headed by the same judge.
The lordship, and so much so, there is a clear verdict, 12-member bench, कि provision of the law till it is actually declared. Azad Hasan's case, कि आप उसको operation नहीं suspend
लॉ
कर
को
सकते.
छोड़ दीजिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं ना.
Your lordship.
आइन में आप ये किसका काम है इलेक्शन करवाना?
Election Commission.
कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 and 19, my lord.
218 and 19.
And 19, my lord.
Mr. Swati, while we read this, ये जरा बताएं कि petitioner ने क्या कहा कि ये तकरीबन 1000 आदमी बन रहा है ना?
जी.
Something like this.
जी.
1014 बंदे.
1014 बंदे जो हैं, इसमें से क्या इनके बारे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ये कह रहे हैं जी कि MPOs के ऑर्डर भी यही DCs पास कर रहे हैं, वो तो अंडर द लॉ उन्होंने ही पास करने.
ये सारे मतलब चलिए
सारे के
आपको
सारे. One of होता तो शायद we could have entertained that. कि जी एक बंदा biased है या.
यही मैं सवाल आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ. इस पिटीशन से फाइल करने से पहले उन्होंने आपको कोई दरखास्त दी बराए करम ये कर दीजिए?
No, my lord.
स्ट्रेट अवे हाई कोर्ट.
Straight away High Court और अभी 5 दिन पहले
1014 जो भी लोग हैं, ये सारे वो क्या कहते हैं पिटीशन में? They are biased.
they say कि they belong to the machinery of executive और executive के ऊपर हमारा ट्रस्ट नहीं है. तो इसलिए जुडिशियल साइड से होने चाहिए.
तो फिर वो ये भी कह सकते हैं हमें जुडिशरी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है. उनके कहने से क्या होगा?
In any case, this is part of the law, which somebody could have challenged, and as pointed out earlier
Last 6
elections have
years.
taken place.
Yes.
तो इस तरह और कब शुरू हुआ है ये, कब अपॉइंट हुआ और कितनी ट्रेनिंग हो गई अभी तक? What has happened?
My lord, 11th of December को ये पॉइंट हुआ है
और अभी तक
और 3 दिन हमने ट्रेनिंग. There were 7 days training. 3 days training took place. Then we had to halt the training in compliance with the interim
तो ये
order.
बताएं कि
Why you hold it?
Because the notification was suspended.
नोटिफिकेशन सस्पेंड हुआ, ट्रेनिंग तो सस्पेंड नहीं हुई थी. अगर उनकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाती तो क्या फर्क पड़ना था?
ये ऑर्डर कब पास किया इन्होंने?
ये कल पास किया. 13th को, परसों।
And when was the election program due?
आज 15th को। ट्रेनिंग एक दिन हुई है सर।
है जी?
ट्रेनिंग सिर्फ एक दिन हुई और 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग थी जी।
इधर कोई पीटीआई का कोई है? नहीं, हम उनसे समझना चाहते हैं ना भाई वजह क्या थी ये करने की।
नहीं देखें, आप ये भी तो देखें, वो बंदा इंडिविजुअली कर रहा है, नाम वो यूज हो
वो
सकता
नाम
है,
use करे।
तहरीक इंसाफ का नाम यूज
It
करता
doesn't have any authority
हो।
of any
कौन
party.
लोग हैं जो नहीं चाहते कि इलेक्शन हो?
यस।
ये बताइए, इसके बारे में बताएं, कौन लोग हैं जो इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते?